For today, this is gonna become a special episode. This is gonna be about ko. Do you remember ako? It means you. Ako. Just get the ko. Then that's it. Ko. K-O. Like that. K-O. Then think of ko as you. So, ko is basically a shorter term for ako, which is you. So if you are ever in the Philippines, you will hear it often, tako. If you hear it, it's just basically the short term for ako. They just basically just remove the A of ako, then just ko means you. It means I. So you will not misunderstood. Ko just means I. It's like for first person perspective. You remember ayaw? Ayaw means don't want. Something you don't want. Ayaw ko. So it can be used. Ayaw ko basically means I don't want. Do you remember ayaw? It just means don't want. And ko is I. Is it much clear now? Ayaw ko means I don't want. Yeah, so basically that's it for today. Bye bye.